Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a K5 Blazer. Unbelievable restoration on it. Black on black truck, houndstooth interior. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the motor compartment. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna check out the interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your K5 Blazer. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. Look at that grille. Looks great. This grille surround looking awesome. Front bumper chrome looks good. Headlight surrounds look great. And look at the reflections in that black paint. Now, you guys know that black is one of the most unforgiving colors to a body man, and the bodywork on this truck is amazing. She is straight as an arrow, no door dings, no nicks. All the trim looks good, and that black paint is laid on there as slick as it can be. All the trim going down the sides looking good. Good looking mirrors, good looking stainless here around the vent window. Doors operate nice. Door jambs are nice and clean. Interior paint work looks good. Door panels look great. The dash around the gauges, all that chrome looking great. All the paint there on the dash pad looking awesome. And then that houndstooth interior, check that out on those bucket seats, man. That is looking sweet. And check out the back seat back there. Isn't that amazing? Bottom side of the top's all nicely finished. And wait till you get this top peeled off and get driving around topless. This thing is what K5s are all about. The reflections in this black paint are beautiful. Got some great looking hand-cooked tires on it. Great looking chrome back here. All the aluminum back here is looking great. Look back here. Look how nice and clean all that is. Tailgate operates nice and smooth. Back side of that tailgate's looking sweet. Plenty of room in there to do whatever you want. You pull that back seat out, turns into a mini pickup truck. Like I said, I'd take the top off of this thing. I don't think I'd put it back on ever. Look down the side of the passenger side here too, straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this K5 Blazer. So you can bet we spent the time and checked it out before we bought it. Then when it gets here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will tell you anything you want to know about this K5 Blazer. Now I'm in charge of picking out every one of the cars here at Vanguard, and we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month. So I'm going to help you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this Blazer for a ride. I'll tell you what, I'd never put the top on this thing except a day just like today. Nice 50-degree day that you want to take your Blazer out for a ride. And I tell you, this car is beautiful. I should say truck. Look at that hood. Look at the reflections. You can see the blue sky, the white clouds. Just an amazing ride here, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this truck anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. You call him anytime because he answers his phone practically 7 days a week and 24 hours a day. So you give him a call anytime, he will tell you just how easy it is. Now, if you want help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. It's a quick call and Tom will take care of all the paperwork for you. No problem whatsoever. You make that phone call, Tom will make it happen. If you've got any questions about the truck or you want any close-up pictures of any area on the truck, just call Tom. He will take care of you. Now we'll take a look down here on the dash. You can see, looks like everything on the dash is working. All our gauges down here. Speedo's working. It's got the original GMC radio in it. Very, very cool. Even got starting instructions and procedures up here on the visor. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We are real close to the airport. So if you'd like to come check out this vehicle in person, we would love to have you. Come on out. We don't get a lot of visitors because about 95% of the people buy sight unseen. So please, we invite you to come visit us. We've always got new inventory coming in. We've got over 200 cars in stock at all times. So check us out on the web at vanguardmotorsales.com, or you can check us out on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. Now we're gonna do something here in a minute that nobody else does. We're gonna put this Blazer up in the air so you can see just how clean the bottom side is. We'll pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your K5 investment. Now we're coming up on our shop right now. We're real close to the airport. We're only 20 minutes away and we're open on Saturdays if you'd like to drive in and check out the cars in person. Right here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna put this Blazer up in the air so you can check out the underside right now. All right, we're underneath this 71 Blazer now, and it's pretty under here too. You can see the bumper's brand new. Bottom side of the truck's nice and clean. Looks like the gas tank's been restored. It does have a fairly new exhaust system on it, and it's in good shape. Now, on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. It does have drum brakes. You can see my little piece of tape right here. I just rolled the rear end over and counted it. I'm right around a 307 gear in here, and it is an open rear end. Looks like it's got fairly new shocks on it. You can see the back sides of the quarters look good. The floor of the bed looks good. The frame's been painted up. It's got some made in Canada mufflers on it. We got some great looking transfer case here, working good. We do have a turbo 350 trans. It's a 3-speed automatic. Everything under here looks nice and clean. It looks like it's got new shocks up front also. It does have disc brakes up front. The guys will check those all out, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like the front bumper's brand new. Front frame horns are nice and straight. And we got some meat on tires right here, guys. These things are great. We got some hand-cooked tires here, and these are 31 10.5s by 15s. You can see the paint work on the rockers. Bottom side of the front fender's nice and clean. Rockers nice and clean too. They took the paint work right down to the bottom edge. Of course, out back we got the exact same size tires, and again, they look like they're brand new. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 350. It's an 0010 block. It is not the original motor to the truck. It's got a quadrajet carburetor on it, which is probably what came on it from the factory. It's got factory air conditioning on it. It's got the factory air cleaner on it. It does have power brakes, and it does have power steering. Looks like a brand new Delco battery, cross-flow radiator. Core support's nice and neat, looking clean. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. Firewall looks great. Even the box there for the evaporator. Look at that fiberglass, nice and clean. You can tell the truck was very well kept throughout the years. Bottom side of the hood's nice and clean. Just an amazing vehicle here, guys. It's a 71, it's a Blazer, it's a K5. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.